Hi, my name is Mohit Pandey and today we're going to learn how we can customize our Google Chrome to look a little bit beautiful. So, let's get started. First of all, we'll change the theme and wallpaper of our Chrome. So, click on the Customize Chrome in the bottom right corner. There are so many background wallpapers for you and everything is totally free to use. Each background is elegant and so you don't have to look for another images for on any other sites. Now let's change the color of Chrome. There are so many choices to change color according to your wish. We've changed wallpaper and color, and now it's time to change our Google account profile picture to look more decent. Just follow these steps. Again, here you got so many options for your account picture. However, if you don't want these images, then you can upload your own picture from your mobile or computer if you want. Even you can customize your image also according to your need. This is our new profile picture. It'll change after some time on every platform where Google account is required. Now, let's say if you want to change or upload your own image, then you need to follow these steps. Okay, we're done from customizing our Chrome in Google account. But if you need more exclusive themes, then you have to go the Chrome web store where you can download more awesome these. And the good thing is that every theme is also free there. Isn't it lovely? So, what are you waiting for? It's time to exploit these themes and surprise your family and friends. And I hope this video is informative for you. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to techerblog for more videos, and if you have any doubt, question, or suggestion for me, then please comment down. I'll definitely give a reply. So stay happy and healthy. Thanks for watching.